one more time for la República Dominicana.
What a last performance, seriously. But tonight has really been a special night, y'all. I have had so much fun hosting. You guys have been such an amazing crowd. Give it up for yourselves, guys, seriously. You guys brought the energy all night long.
Again, thank you so much for sticking around with us. Thank you for laughing at our silly jokes. I know some of them were a little corny, but I think Kane's first gala went pretty well. What do you guys think?
I've had a really great time hosting with you guys, so give me a handshake for yourself. Thank you all for joining us. We do have one more performance, and I'll let Ephraim introduce it.
Thank you guys all. This has been an incredible event, incredible night. Thank you guys all for laughing at our jokes. Shout out my mom for pity laughing at my bad jokes that didn't land. But we do have one more performance, and I hope you all will stick around for it, because in my opinion, it's the most beautiful, it's the best one. We have the flag ceremony. For those of you who might not be familiar, the flag ceremony is a time when any student who feels like representing another country can come up, wave that flag, play a song of their choice, and celebrate their heritage. And I hope you all will greet them with as much enthusiasm as I will greet them, because I think this is incredible. So without further ado, the flag ceremony. Armenia! Bangladesh! China! India! Indonesia! Israel!
וזה לא משנה אם באמצע חיים או באמצע משחק כדורגל, כולם יעשו את הכל בשנייה אם יקרא להם הדגל.
Japan! Kazakhstan! Nepal! Philippines!
Just for a while, and time with a smile.
Sri Lanka!
Vietnam! Ethiopia! Ghana! Kenya!
Short and sweet, DJ play the song on repeat. Odi dance to the beat. Apolipo kamatana feels so sweet. Apolipo kamatana feels so sweet.
Rwanda! Zimbabwe! Barbados!
La República Dominicana. El Salvador. Guatemala. Haiti. Jamaica. México.
Yo la llevando por donde quiera, verde, blanco, rojo hasta que muera. El barrio prendido ya que...
Puerto Rico. Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. Trinidad and Tobago.
Jamaican girls, them a part the pum pum, them a wine up the waist, them a part the pum pum.
Brasil. Chile. Chi chi chi, le le le, viva Chile.
Mis rasgos, mi belleza, amo como soy.
Colombia.
Muestra tu pasión.
Ecuador.
Van bajando por el cerro Cuyayay, ha llegado el Inti Raimi Cuyayay.
Uruguay.
Albania! Hungary! Ireland! Romania! Russia! Spain! Ukraine! ISA!
Everybody!
Woo!
This guy gets it.
One night, watch the world unite. Two sides, one fight, and a million eyes. Full hearts gonna work so hard, shoot all the stars, fist raise up towards the sky. Tonight, watch the world unite, world unite, world unite. For the fight, fight, fight. One night, watch the world unite. Two sides, one fight, and a million eyes. Order side, come on, sing with me. Halle, halle, come shout it out with me. Come on now, come on now,
is it.